I'm gonna give it another try. You just skip all the features. Oh, so close. Well, greetings, people, folks, and space aliens. Here I am at West Marina, whatever. This is a tabletop that I have to clear this year. And I'm coming really close. The key is to not hit these other features and pump around. Oh, fresh dirt. This is pretty cool. They actually redid this, and it's actually nice, like really nice. Oh, they got a rock feature here that I am not going to do right now. That actually doesn't look like it would be too bad. But you really have to be coming up that hill at decent speed. So I'm just here to ride slowly and lowly and hit the jumps. I'm gonna skip. Yeah, they've actually redone. Okay. So, interesting. They did some stuff on the left here too. No, this is, okay. Wow. There's actually, I'm kind of confused right now. Okay. Nice. It's like a mini pump track. Oops. Come off your pedal. This is brand new. So this is a place that surprised me with new features. Oh, they got a double. Nice. Oh, ho, 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 ho. I don't know if I'm ready to take that. That's a double. But yeah, you could definitely get enough speed to get that. Wow. Pretty sweet, actually. I'm gonna pop into Cougar. Do those jumps. These are actually really easy. The dirt jump marathon.
Well, I came here to get as many of the jumps as I could, and I ended up clearing all of them. I was more excited about all the new stuff showing up on this trail, the new features, as well as a few new jumps.
Oh, here's that wooden feature. Oh, it's actually a gap. It's like a little gap. Okay. It looks really sketchy. It's in a green feature. I think I'm gonna hit it. Oh, I bumped over it. Scary tuna. So I'm thinking about doing 2 years of gap jumps and seeing how far I get before I break another thumb. Actually thinking about what you want to start with gap jumps. You want to start with stuff that's shallower or shorter. Well, shallower could be a word to use. Shallower than the length of your bike. Then you want to do the length of your bike, and you want to go past the length of your bike. And I'm at the kind of, oh my gosh. Oh, it's a gap jump. Just as I'm talking about gap jumps. Oh, that's actually pretty sweet. They've got some serious stuff going on here. Oh, I know I can do that. I'm probably not gonna do it today though. I know it's here. So yeah, if I do 2 years of gap jumps. But however, there's a new tabletop right here. And I have to get that. Yeah, I have to get this now. All right, here is this new tabletop. Got to get in the right gear. Oh, no, not even close. I was going way too slow. Ow. It's just really loose. So you really firm into this. You're going really fast. This berm is so loose. I don't know. Oh, I cleared it. Ha 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 ha. Just barely. I got a little more speed. Woo!
Of course, before I left that day, I had to go back to the skills park and clear that big table with my method of pumping around.
Oh yeah! Woo! Totally cleared it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I made it that time. I think I made it last time too, but I think I may have just, you know, bumped the edge of the... Yeah, I figured if I put my suspension in stiff, I'd get it, and that was the key.